Okay guys, today I'm going to give you a very quick demo of pivoting and scanning internal network systems from outside of network as well. So this is a system which I already hacked, one of the Pakistani servers. I found that there are multiple internal systems like web servers exist in the same network, the system which I hacked. So I'm going to apply a technique called pivoting. What pivoting does is basically you're able to access the internal network through the Meterpreter session of the system which you already hacked. So I want to access the port 80 of the system, right? So how to do that? I need to actually add a route, right? I already added a route. I'll give you this is the command to add a route, right? By mistake I say 82, it should be 83. If you do a route print, you can see this system is already added in the route. So first thing I want to show you how you can actually access this system, or you can actually access the system through SMB, right? So I already dump a hashes, right, and try to because I knew 135, 139, 445 ports were open on the system. I'll let you know how I do that. I scan that, I'll show you that. So using that I try to exploit it using the hashes that I have. Somehow due to some reason the exploit was completed, but there was no session created. Could be due to this. I need to reconfigure it and probably I'll get access on the system. This, right? So this is how you can actually access the internal network as well, right? The second thing I told you that you guys can access this system from outside of network. How to do that? You need to configure a SOX proxy server on this system, which will route through this Meterpreter framework, right? So I configure this proxy server on my local system, which will routing to this system, right? So the port I use is 8181. I'll quickly show you what's happening. Hold on. So basically I added this same port, SOX port here in the proxy chains, and I able to scan everything. You can see on the screen. Let me do that again for you guys. Let's say I want to scan this system, right? Because how I'm able to do is, the reason where I'm able to do is I configure the SOX, open the proxy server on that system through the Metasploit routing, this framework routing, right? And able to access it and get the ports which are open on the system, right? You can see the ports were open on this. Similarly, you can even use a Hydra as well, right? Here it is. Yeah, you can use a Hydra using proxy chains. Let's say if there is some kind of admin kind of service there, right, and you want to clear the password of that, you can use a Hydra in that way. So this is how you can use pivoting and proxy server, right, through routing through the Meterpreter framework. Thanks guys, thank you.